Hey there, and welcome to the Wealth Pulse. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 5 simple habits that can help you build wealth every day. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to take your wealth building efforts to the next level, these habits are key to success. So if you're ready to learn more about budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and building passive income streams, keep watching. The first habit we'll be discussing is budgeting and financial planning. This might not sound like the most exciting topic, but it's essential to building wealth. When you create a budget and set financial goals, you have a roadmap for where you want to go and how you're going to get there. By tracking your spending and saving, you can make sure you're staying on track and making progress towards your goals. So if you're not already budgeting, it's time to start. There are plenty of great tools out there to help you get started, like Mint or YNAB. These apps can help you track your spending, create a budget, and set financial goals, all in one place. Plus, they make it easy to see where your money is going and identify areas where you might be able to cut back or save more. In addition to using budgeting tools, it's also a good idea to set financial goals for yourself. This could be anything from saving for a down payment on a home, to building up an emergency fund, to saving for retirement. Whatever your goals may be, it's important to have a clear plan in place for how you're going to achieve them. This could involve setting aside a certain amount of money each month, investing in specific stocks or mutual funds, or developing a plan to pay off debt. One tip for budgeting and financial planning is to automate as much as possible. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, or have a certain amount of money automatically invested each month. This can help you build wealth without having to think about it, and it's one less thing to worry about. The second habit we'll be discussing is saving and investing. This is an essential step to building wealth over the long term. By putting your money to work in the stock market or other investments, you can potentially earn higher returns than you would by leaving your money in a savings account. Plus, investing can help you diversify your portfolio and mitigate risk. So if you're not already investing, it's time to start. There are plenty of great investment platforms out there to help you get started, like robo-advisors or crowdfunding platforms. These platforms can make it easy to invest your money, even if you don't have a lot of experience or knowledge about the stock market. Here are a few tips. First one is start by setting a financial goal. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear financial goal in mind. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Do you want to retire early? By setting a specific and measurable goal, you can focus your efforts and make progress towards your financial objectives. Determine your risk tolerance. Different investments carry different levels of risk, and it's important to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance. If you're risk averse, you might prefer investments with lower potential returns, but also lower risk, like bonds or CDs. On the other hand, if you're comfortable with higher risk, you might consider investing in stocks or real estate. Consider your time horizon. Your time horizon is the amount of time you have to reach your financial goals. If you have a long time horizon, you might be able to afford to take on more risk in your investments, as you'll have more time to ride out any market ups and downs. If you have a shorter time horizon, you might want to be more conservative in your investments to minimize risk. Diversify your investments. As mentioned above, it's important to diversify your investments to mitigate risk. This can involve investing in a variety of asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. It can also involve investing in different sectors or industries, or in a mix of domestic and international investments. By diversifying your portfolio, you can potentially reduce your risk and increase your chances of earning a return. Contribute to a retirement account. If your employer offers a 401k or other retirement account, It's a good idea to contribute as much as you can afford. These accounts typically offer tax advantages and can help you save for the future. If your employer doesn't offer a retirement account, you can consider opening an IRA or individual retirement account on your own. Invest regularly. Finally, it's important to invest regularly, rather than trying to time the market. By investing consistently, you can potentially benefit from dollar cost averaging, which can help smooth out any market fluctuations. Plus, investing on a regular basis can help you stay disciplined and focused on your financial goals. All in all, don't be afraid to seek out professional advice. Whether it's from a financial advisor, a friend or family member who's experienced in investing, or a trusted online resource, it's always a good idea to seek out guidance when making financial decisions. By doing your due diligence and seeking out expert advice, you can make informed decisions and build wealth more effectively. If you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our future videos. By subscribing, you'll be supporting our channel and helping us create even more great content. Now back to our topic. The third habit we'll be discussing is managing debt. Now, I know this isn't exactly a fun topic, but it's an important one. If you have high levels of debt, it can be tough to make progress with your financial goals. That's because you're essentially paying interest on money you've already spent, which can eat into your savings and investing efforts. So if you have debt, it's important to come up with a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. One strategy that can be helpful is the debt snowball method, where you can focus on paying off your smallest debt first and then work your way up to the larger ones. This can help you build momentum and see progress more quickly, which can be motivating. Another option is the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. This can make more financial sense in the long run, since you'll pay less in interest over time. Whichever method you choose, the key is to stay focused and make a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible. This could involve setting aside extra money each month towards debt repayment, negotiating lower interest rates with your creditors, or consolidating your debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. One tip for managing debt is to focus on high-interest debts first. These debts can be especially costly in the long run, so it makes sense to tackle them first. For example, if you have a credit card with a high interest rate, consider paying it off before you tackle a lower-interest student loan. The fourth habit we'll be discussing is building passive income streams. Now, this might sound like a pipe dream, but it's actually possible to generate money on autopilot. Passive income is essentially money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. Some examples of passive income include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. By building up multiple passive income streams, you can potentially generate a significant amount of money over time. So if you're looking to build wealth, consider exploring ways to create passive income streams. This might involve purchasing rental properties and collecting monthly rent, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or lending money through a peer-to-peer lending platform. One tip for building passive income streams is to diversify your investments. This means not putting all of your eggs in one basket, so to speak. For example, instead of just investing in one rental property, consider purchasing multiple properties in different areas. This can help spread the risk and potentially increase your chances of earning passive income. Another tip is to focus on investments that have a track record of stability and growth. For example, dividend-paying stocks or bonds can be a good option, as they can provide a regular stream of income and potentially grow in value over time. The final habit we'll be discussing is continual learning and self-improvement. The world of personal finance and investing is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date on the latest news and trends. By continually learning and improving your financial knowledge and skills, you can make better informed decisions about your money and build wealth more effectively. There are plenty of ways to learn more about personal finance and investing. You can read books or articles on the subject, take online courses or workshops, or listen to podcasts or watch YouTube videos like this. Whatever method you choose, make sure to set aside time to continually learn and improve your financial knowledge. In addition to learning about financial topics, it's also important to focus on personal development and self-improvement. This could involve setting goals and working towards them, learning new skills or hobbies, or practicing mindfulness and self-care. All of these habits can help you become a better, more well-rounded person, which can in turn help you build wealth more effectively. One tip for continually learning and self-improvement is to surround yourself with like-minded individuals. This could be through joining a group or community of investors or financial professionals, or simply connecting with friends or family members who are also interested in personal finance and investing. By sharing ideas and learning from others, you can continue to grow and improve as you work towards your financial goals. In conclusion, these 5 simple habits can help you build wealth every day. By budgeting and financial planning, saving and investing, managing debt, building passive income streams, and continually learning and self-improving, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. So take action today and start building wealth for your future. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and it takes time. But with the right habits in place, you can make progress towards your financial goals and build a secure financial future for yourself. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about building wealth, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. So don't be afraid to take action and start building wealth today.